Innovation in intelligent capture is growing exponentially, with the latest technology proving far more effective than ever before. If you're not taking advantage of the latest in intelligent capture, your company may be at a competitive disadvantage. enChoice can help. Introducing an AI-enabled content capture solution, your secret weapon to tackling even the most complex content capture challenges. If you're an existing IBM Datacap customer seeking to enhance your investments or trying to stay ahead of the curve, you can now attain unprecedented levels of accuracy and productivity with intelligent capture. Imagine the time saved by more accurately capturing and extracting content, and seamlessly integrating that content with your existing systems. Our AI-enabled technology leverages the elasticity of the cloud, which allows for software architecture to scale and grow as increased demand is added to the system, and machine learning to make content capture smarter, faster, and more accurate. IBM Datacap with enChoice plugins can help accelerate and expand the automation use cases organizations have been able to achieve with legacy approaches. Whether it's classifying emails, digitizing physical mail, or capturing simple to complex content from structured to unstructured content, our intelligent capture solution unlocks new levels of efficiency and productivity. Document classification is crucial in the capture process. It can be the key between success and failure. Before you can start or extract data from a document, you need to know what kind of document it is. This is traditionally a manual process. The AI Classifier for Datacap automates document classification using supervised machine learning, even when one file contains multiple document types, reducing labor costs and time. Its user-friendly interface allows non-technical users to define categories and train the system quickly and accurately. Fuel your capture process with the power of machine learning. The AI Classifier enhances workflow efficiency, boosts productivity, and drastically reduces time spent manually classifying document types, improving capture accuracy rates. Capture accuracy rates are a challenge with handwritten documents. The Cloud Cognitive Capture plugin allows you to connect to the latest cloud-based engines. Try each one out to see which performs best for your use case and configure your workflow for the engine that works best. With the Cloud Cognitive Capture plugin, we've seen accuracy rates of 90% or more on handwritten documents. Now that's a game changer. Another way to reduce errors and data entry is with machine learning. The Cognitive Correction plugin uses machine learning to understand and proactively correct repetitive errors for users. This not only reduces errors, but significantly cuts down the amount of manual interaction needed with the document as it passes through the system. Do you need to improve recognition rates on non-standard image types? The Image Cropper plugin can extract and index all image types, removing unwanted background, ensuring accuracy, and providing measurable results. Alignment issues on scanned forms can destroy your extraction rates. The Adrift plugin automatically fixes alignment issues on externally printed forms, ensuring successful key zone processing when the documents are returned to your organization. Reduce the manual processing of forms and experience better extraction rates on externally scanned documents. Let's learn how to unlock even more potential by integrating intelligent capture with your business systems. The Rapid Onboarding tool is a web-based user interface that allows non-technical users to easily onboard their forms and documents onto Datacap. It's now easy to get flexible, real-time ERP connectivity to your SAP systems. ERP Data Gateway is a web-based solution that integrates your ERP with your other business systems, providing seamless, real-time data transmission to and from your ERP. This scalable, configurable, and affordable solution to ERP connectivity lets you accelerate your project timelines and reduce costs. Capturing content from emails can be a challenge. Our advanced email connector can extract the wide variety of image files, attachments, zip files, inline embedded files, etc., and treat them as regular input files. It can also take the body of the email and convert it into a document itself. You can now extract Excel data with 100% accuracy. When Excel files are scanned, the file is converted from numeric to an image and then back to numeric. This conversion process can cause errors. The Excel Extractor plugin allows you to extract your Excel data directly into Datacap, resulting in 100% accuracy. It's time to stay competitive and future-proof your capture process. Embrace the power of AI-infused modern intelligent capture technologies to revolutionize the way you handle the ingestion of content. Unlock efficiency, accuracy, and unmatched productivity with enChoice plugins for IBM Datacap. Are you ready to take your data capture to the next level? Contact us today and schedule a demo.